Tapo C500 review. Installation and setup guide. Best budget outdoor security camera from TP-Link. Looking for an affordable outdoor security camera with wide coverage and smart detection? The TP-Link Tapo C500 offers several useful features at a budget-friendly level. But is it worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Tapo C500 is an outdoor pan and tilt Wi-Fi camera with 1080p Full HD video. One of its biggest advantages is its wide coverage, with 360-degree horizontal rotation and around 130 degrees of vertical coverage. It can also track movement, helping keep moving subjects in view. For security, you get motion detection, person detection, activity zones, and tamper detection. These features can help reduce unnecessary alerts and let you focus on areas that matter most. For nighttime monitoring, the C500 provides infrared night vision, while supported versions also offer color night vision using built-in spotlights. There's also two-way audio, allowing you to communicate through the camera, along with customizable sound and light alarms. Setup is handled through the Tapo app. Mount the camera, connect the power adapter, connect it to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and then configure detection and recording settings through the app. For storage, you can use a micro SD card for local recordings, with support up to 512 GB, or use TapoCare Cloud Storage if you prefer a subscription option. The C500 is also IP65 rated for protection against dust and water, making it suitable for outdoor use. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant as well, but there are some limitations. Video resolution is limited to 1080p, so it won't provide the same detail as a 2K or 4K camera. It also requires a wired power connection, meaning it isn't completely wire-free, and it operates on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Overall, the Tapo C500 is a good choice if you want affordable outdoor monitoring, wide coverage, person detection, and local storage without spending heavily on a security system. If you need higher resolution or battery-powered operation, you may want to consider another model. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what product you'd like to see next.